As someone who grew up skiing on Mount Hood, there was always one event each year that stood out above the rest, both figuratively and literally. That's because it happens here, at Illumination Saddle, far above the ski resorts and in the middle of summer, long after the ski season has come to a close. All right, so just got everything into the car and packed. We've got skis, poles, boots, helmet, jacket, skins, gloves, camera bag, extra food and water because we could be out there for a good little while. Not an intensive tour by any means, but always good to be prepared. But let's get to it. Alright, so if you're familiar with the community at all, you know I'm obviously talking about the solstice party up at Illumination Rock. But if you have no idea what I'm talking about, every single year up on Mount Hood, skiers and climbers from the local community, as well as all over the world, come out and host this party that's up on Mount Hood above all the ski resorts. And it's to celebrate the summer solstice and the days getting shorter, leading back into winter. Ironically, it happens middle of summer or kind of start of summer. Right before the snow really starts to disappear, but super sweet party and one of the most kind of famous locations for shooting these big air shots out over the valley. Now the really crazy thing to me is despite skiing on Mount Hood for over 20 years now, every single time the solstice party has come up, I've either been out of state or out of country. Sweet! Thank you so much. So this will actually be my first time going to this party, and with any luck, you guys are gonna get the opportunity to experience it for the first time with me. Yo, what's up, man?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, you look like a pedophile with this. Yeah. I have no idea what you're doing.
500 feet of school. Well,
yeah.
Shit, neither is he.
No, you're good, man. It's me. It's me they're worried about.
You gonna reskin up for the rest of it or boot pack?
Fuck, I don't know. It looks like there's a pretty set booter, and I don't know. Because if the boot pack is really good, just do that.
Yeah, I guarantee you it's really good. There's got to be so many people up there already.
Oh, so many. Heck yeah. See you guys in 10 seconds. Oh, yeah. It would have been really fun to ski the West Rim today.
Yeah.
That's so good right now.
All right, so we're on the boot pack now, about 500 feet above Palmer. Met up with Alex here right at the top of Palmer. I bumped a ride on the lift, so I rode up mile, up Palmer, met up with Alex, and then the big discussion was, are we gonna boot pack or skin up? Both of us brought all of our touring gear. We'll see.
Right. So booting,
okay,
skinning,
okay.
whatever touches first.
Oh!
Okay.
That is, wait, was that booting?
That's booting. Yeah.
Ah, man, that is a firm booting.
Dude, that was like, God decided.
You're gonna boot. But with so many people out here, there is a pretty well set boot pack. So we're about 500 feet up. We've got another 200 to go, and then we'll ski traverse over to the saddle. So one of the things that we've been talking about on the walk and kind of realizing is that there is an overwhelming number of people out here this year for the party. This really started as like a locals only kind of small thing. You know, small crew coming up here doing a really dialed in build. But with this year, we're seeing people who don't even have skis, snowboards, people from all over the world showing up for it. And I've already heard there's pretty substantial evidence that, thank you for that.
I had to, I'm sorry. So this is the 14th year of the summer solstice party on Mount Hood, and started off as a very not official event, just 3 friends that gathered, Hood locals. What started just from 3 friends, Hood legends, has now turned into 300 to 500 people probably, and hopefully it can go on for years to come. Everyone bring a trash bag.
don't know if you'll be able to hear me right now, but finally making it over super early. So we're gonna set up our camp kind of where our stuff is, whatever. And then it's really just hang out and have fun, and everything will kind of pick up throughout the day as more people show up, with sunset obviously being when everything's gonna be really, really gorgeous and ready to shoot. All right, so this is super dope. There's people just hitting back to back. We've got some crazy jumps. The one on the spine is bucking people all over the place. One down low is a lot easier to get into, but it's a lot lippier and like harder to hit. So it's creating a really nice mix of people just seshing to their heart's content. But what I'm really waiting for here is sunset. So I'm gonna stick around up here until sunset and then probably ski down in the dark. I've been up here a couple dozen times at this point, but I've never actually been up on the saddle for sunset, and so I'm crazy excited for that. And it's setting up to be a gorgeous, gorgeous sunset, so pretty stoked. But let's just jump right to that.
Oh no! All right, I'm gonna go move it out.
And so with that, that's pretty much the solstice party. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the ski out.